It is cold this morning, but it's Poland, isn't it? So yeah, on the way to the castle in Krakow. What's it called, Pete? Castle? Wawel Castle, yeah. And it's, what else is there? It's not just a castle, it's what is it?
Cathedral.
Cathedral, that's it, yeah. There's the first view of the castle right in front of me. Just wait for the trams to move out of the way. So we thought it was up here anyway, but we've just been passed by a bunch of school kids. That's how slow we are. No, not really. I was giving Pete my camera. Some writing on the side of there. And there. But we presume if you come here, then it's up this ramp to the ticket office. So you can't be more precise than that. That's the 9 o'clock bells ringing. She's just opening. Spot on. Cost 83, and we could be here 5 hours, but we won't be. But this is what we got anyway. We got everything: the staterooms, and that's the times telling us to go into it. We've got an English tour at 11:05 of the private apartments. And what else you done? Told us what order?
Yeah.
So one, go there first. There's second. So she's told us everything, but. 83, so 50 is £10. 50 for 10, 11, 12. About 15, 16 pound, that's not too bad, is it? Yeah. 16 quid. So we've just walked in. This is just up that little hill. I've got to say, very impressive, very.
You know, all those chapels with like thing on it, that's grave of the king inside.
Alright, like that middle part?
Yeah, the one with like crown. See?
Oh yeah, the gold one.
Yeah.
Pete was saying, what is it, Pete? All the kings are here.
Yeah.
How many is it?
I don't know.
I
Quite
think
a few.
Pete's brother said that there's a part of one of the popes here as well. He said the heart of one of the popes is here.
There's lots of important people in here anyway.
Yeah, a lot of was it the Polish Prime Minister who died in an air crash not long ago? President, yeah. He's in here. He died in an aeroplane crash maybe 3 years ago. I remember reading it. But he's in here as well, yeah. Along with some kings and other important Polish people. Who was that Polish who was in the church at Warsaw in the park? Is he in here? That conductor? I can't remember his name.
Mickiewicz or?
No, there was that statue of him in that park where we sat. Yeah, Chopin, yeah. Is it?
Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure.
I wonder if he's in here. And it's warmed up a little bit, not a lot. I was asked outside if shopping was in here, and he is in here. This is his crypt, Frederick's shop on. Which one is it, Pete? Well, that's not him.
You got all the information there.
There he is. Oh, it's in English there. So he was only 39 when he died.
You got the name of who's there? Mickiewicz, I think it's there.
So where's shopping? Is he the ashes or something, maybe?
But also on the other side.
Oh, is there some more? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, shopping.
There he is. He stood up. By the way, the reason if there is any dodgy camera work, it's because you're not allowed to film in here. Alright, keep that in note.
In a famous battle.
Pope John Paul II. This is where his heart is, what the brother said. Is that what it says? He's got his heart?
Yeah, I think so.
The ceiling's amazing.
King's grave.
Well, I managed to get a little bit of footage, so hopefully it comes out alright. But that, what was that? What's the cathedral called, Pete?
Wawel.
Wawel Cathedral. Oh, Wawel Cathedral and Castle. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Very strict. Not allowed to do fucking anything.
Yep, it's literally no pictures, no filming, and there's like not guards but people in there watching you all the time, so hopefully I have got a little bit of what I can use, but we'll see. That was loads of, it's really impressive, so hopefully I have got something really impressive. Looks very smart, this. Something tells me we're going to have this trouble all day about filming. In there again, no filming, no pictures, there's somebody in every room, so the video on this Wawel Castle and Cathedral, I'll do the best I can with it, but it's all, what's it called? It's all in-depth reporting, as in I'm hiding the camera. Are we off now?
No, to that white thing.
Oh, that's 11:05, that's ages, yeah. They said it'd take 5 hours. What time did they say we'd have finished in there, Pete? 11? What time is it now? 10. So they said we're an hour in front. It's not going to take 5 hours at all. We'll have done for... We'll have done for 12 o'clock, I bet, easy. 11:05 we've got a guided tour, so we'll be with that one as long as it takes.
That's another famous place. That's president.
So now we're going to the top of there, top of the cathedral. So we're on our way up to the top of the cathedral, is it, Pete? So I don't know what the steps, but these are the steps. And I don't know how many there is, but it's high. I don't know if it's these all the way, but it's very steep.
Hardcore.
Oh shit. Wow. This is like an assault car. Up there. Tell you what, it better be worth the view. Watch your head.
Remember that thing when you go in Warsaw? When you have to go climb in that tunnel?
Oh yeah, yeah. I tell you what, I can only just get through here.
Oh,
Seriously, there's some steep steps here and little tight holes. Is that the top?
I think so.
So here we are. Let's have a look at some views from up here. This is at the top of the cathedral, this is where the bells are. As you can just see, this is the climb up. Well, this is when you get to the top of the climb. Right, ready to go down now. So we're on the way back down now, we've been up there. It was alright, it was only, how much was it, 12?
Yeah,
£2.40. I don't mind paying that for views like that. Yeah, so we've got one more thing to see here, we think anyway. And then we've finished, but I've got to say it's better than anything in Warsaw, the castle there.
John,
There's loads to do here.
just walk close to that building, so I know, see what's in there. And then walk around.
Oh yeah, there's someone over there. But there's loads to do in here. What time is it? It's about 12:30. Who's here at 9:30? We've still got something to see. We've just had a tour of the bedrooms, the private quarters, wasn't it, of the kings. But you can't film anything in there because there's a guide with us all the time, so there's no filming there. But yeah, we're still here. That's where we went to the top of. I don't think we actually went to the top, did we? I think we was allowed to see where the meshing is. That meshing there in the middle, but the one on the left, I think they let us into that bit, not straight to the top. Now we're off to the Dragon's Den, which should be down here somewhere. So, down more steps to the Dragon's Den. As you would presume, it's in den, so it's going to be downstairs. Hey, the bottom. This is the Dragon's Den. So this is the Dragon's Den in the castle, Wawel Castle. If that's it, and then we're just going to walk back upstairs. Have you ever been in the Dragon's Cave?
No. Oh, another steps.
No, you can't go up them.
Oh.
It's this way.
Yeah.
It's this way out.
Gość przyszedł, zaczęliśmy rozmawiać o tym, o tamtym, o tak dalej.
Oh, it fetches you outside. Oh, that's alright anyway. That was the last thing to do anyway, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
That's why it says 7 on it.
Perfect. So if you visit Wawel Castle and you've had it, and the last thing you want to do before you leave is do the Dragon's Den, because then you come outside. Perfect. Oh yeah.